Hey, this is Monte Christensen with the Mountain Bike Channel, and today our episode is about a couple of projects that we've been involved with that I think are just really cool. There's some marquee locations. One is up in Banff, one is in CANMORE. So today you're going to see a little bit of the two-rail style and then the stacking rail style fence. We're at the Basin facility at Banff National Park, and I'd just like to show you a project that we are involved with, and it was done with Oscar Contracting out of Banff, and they installed this fence. We supplied it, and this is what we refer to as one of our most popular fencing styles. It's a 10-foot two-rail system. Posts are around 5 feet 4 inches tall. The rail size is about 10 feet. Obviously, it's a little bit more of a decorative, but I think in this mountain setting, it just really is a nice touch and a nice feature. It doesn't take away from any of the natural beauty of the trees or the shrubbery or any of that kind of stuff. This project was done, about 3 or 4 years ago. So you can see how it's beautifully weathered and nicely aged. Definitely adds a lot to what this pathway system is all about. Really easy to install too, and at purecountryfencing.com there's some great instructions on how to install this fence. If you do have any questions though, give us a call, and I'll be more than willing to talk to you about how to install this fence in the proper fashion. This is just an awesome application for a fantastic product in your landscape. A really beautiful accent. This particular style of fence is what we call our stacking rail fence. It's called a zigzag fence or a snake rail fence. You can see how it's built is pretty simple. You just lay the fences like that in a zigzag fashion. You're stacking it to whatever desired height you want. As you look around us, you notice we're in the mountainous areas. There's lots of trees, the potential for roots and or rocks. You'll notice this kind of fence in places like in Ontario, where they're in solid rock area, Canadian shield applications. We refer to this style of fence as our classic old country style. It's one of the originals, styles of fence that people utilized to build fence on their landscapes. We really like it. We were involved with this project about 3 years ago. The flood of 2013 eliminated a big part of the bank in Lac des Arcs, and they wanted to put a fence in there to prevent people from encroaching in on the bank, and then also to, just to protect any of the environment in this area. So this particular post here, it's also called a super jumbo rail or a post. And, it's a fantastic product, very sturdy. You could, if you wanted to, you could pen animals into this style of fence. Another way to make it even more sturdy is that these joints, for example, you'll notice in certain applications, like in provincial parks in BC, they utilize this kind of method where they'll put a post on either side of the joint, and then they'll just stack the rails or in between those two posts, wire the tops up, and it makes a super sturdy fence. For an entire listing of all the different styles that you can do with this old style fence, go to purecountryfencing.com.